Write each mixed number as decimal. We have 25 and 1 over 18. We can rewrite that this is 25 plus 1 over 18. We have mixed number when we have whole number and fraction. This is mixed number. And now 25 we can left because it's whole number, and we just change 1 over 18 to decimal number. How we do this? We do long division. We divide 1 by 18. How many times you can put 18 to 1? 0. So we have to add decimal point after 1 and few zeros. And now 0 times 18 is 0. We have to do subtraction. 1 minus 0 is 1. We take down first 0 and take up decimal point in the same column. So now 10 divided by 18 is 0. 0 times 18 is 0. Subtraction. 10 minus 0 is 10. Have to take down next 0. So it will be 100 divided by 18 is 5. 5 times 18 is 90. Subtraction. 100 minus 90 is 10. Next zeros we will take down, and again we have 100. 100 divided by 18 is 5. 5 times 18 is 90. Subtraction. So again we will have 10. So we cannot finish this long division. 5 repeats. So we can rewrite that this is equal 25 we copy plus 1 over 18. We can write that this is what we get from long division, 0.05, and because 5 repeats, we will add the bar above 5. It means that this number repeats. So now this is equal. We can write that this is 25 decimal point 0.05 with bar above. 25 plus 0.05 is 25.05. 5 repeats. And next number we have 11 5 over 16. So we can rewrite this mixed number that this is 11 plus 5 over 16. 5 over 16 we have to change to decimal. We will do long division. We will divide 5 by 16. How many times you can put 16 to 5? 0. We can add decimal point at the end and few zeros. So now we take above decimal point. 0 times 16 is 0. Subtraction. 5 minus 0 is 5. We take down first 0. 50 divided by 16 is 3. 3 times 16 is 48. Subtraction. 50 minus 48 is 2. We take down next 0. We have 20 divided by 16 is 1. 1 times 16 is 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. We take down next 0. So it will be 40 divided by 16 is 2. 2 times 16 is 32. Subtraction again. So will be 40 minus 32 is 8. We can add another 0, so it will be 80 divided by 16 is 5. 5 times 16 is 80. We finish long division, so we can rewrite that this is equal 11 plus 5 over 16. We can rewrite that this is 0.3125. So this is equal 11 plus 0.3125. This is 11.3125. This is our mixed number as a decimal. This is my solution.